So here we are with part 2. Remember in the first video we learned how to use a site search to get just the information that we wanted from a site, because sometimes it's hard to find in a website and their search feature won't take you directly to it. So this is the way to build your own search engine into any website that you want. You just go to Google, you type in what you want, type site colon, and then type the website from which you want that information, and presto bango, you've got it, whether the website wanted you to have it, I guess, or not. So here we wanted demographic information from the Las Vegas Chamber of Commerce, and you can see that here we go back to the site, but they have it under a shop. So let's see, that looks interesting, huh? And you'll see that they want you to purchase this information. Some chambers now will, it's so expensive to pull this information together that some of them want you to purchase it. So you might want to look for that information other places, or see whether there's another way to get the information. Let's see if we can get demographic. Go back to our original search here and see if we can get good demographic data. And here, the Clark County site has a demographics brochure, and it's a PDF format, so it looks like it might be a great information. So let's look and see if we can get this information for free. Hurry and load. Sorry. Yay! Okay, very cool. So we would have to pay for it at the Chamber of Commerce site. But here we have a lot of this information right here. So you can see who the largest employers in Las Vegas tend to be. And here are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, the 7 largest employers, and a couple casinos are the largest employers, as you might expect. But there's an Air Force base there too. The school district is one of the largest employers. That's interesting, right? So you get this information, and it can help you make your decision about whether or not you want to move there. And Vegas was just I just chose that on a lark. But look at this. The population distribution by entity, there are a lot of unincorporated areas. There's Vegas, Henderson, North LV, etc. What kind of housing? You can see that almost 60% of the housing is single-family homes, and duplexes are the smallest housing type. Really interesting. You can see what the race and ethnicity makeup happens to be, and how old the population happens to be. When we say demographics, this is what we mean. This is what we're looking for. So I'm hoping that this information helps you. Let's say that I want to look at Las Vegas, and if I'm not thinking about Vegas as an ideal place, I'm thinking about San Diego. One way that we can look for information, we suddenly went up in our numbers to almost 100,000 hits. But when we type "or," then we can get both at the same time. We don't have to do a separate search for San Diego. And it will find, and you can see here, chamber info from San Diego right next to chamber info from Las Vegas. So "or" is something that allows Google, according to Boolean rules, they're looking for Chamber of Commerce and demographics regardless. But this is the statement. This "or" becomes part of an equation. So they're looking for Las Vegas plus chamber and demographics, but they're also looking for San Diego chamber and demographics. So you're getting both of those searches baked into one. So if you're saying if you find Chamber of Commerce demographics and Las Vegas, or Chamber of Commerce demographics and San Diego, just give it all to me here, and then they'll give you the most relevant hits at the top of the list always, which is awesome. So that's another thing that you can do, and what "or" does. "Or" creates an equation or a relationship between these two search terms and the rest of your string. And so now I'll get ready to record part 3 for you.